Hi students, today we are discussing the problems on the planes. First problem, a plane phi makes intercepts three and four on z-axis and x-axis respectively. And phi is parallel to y-axis. Then its equation is solution. First of all, a plane phi makes the intercepts 3 and 4 on z-axis and x-axis respectively, and phi is parallel to y-axis. The equation of a plane parallel to y-axis is ax plus by ax plus cz plus b equal to 0. And also, a plane makes intercepts 3 and 4 on z-axis and x-axis. That means x by 4 plus z by 3 is equal to 1. 3x plus 4z equal to 12. 3x plus 4z minus 12 equal to 0. This is the first question. Next question. The equation of plane passing through one and 1 minus 1 and perpendicular to 2x minus y plus z plus 5 equal to 0. First of all, the equation of plane passing through 1, 1. We know the formula. The equation of plane passing through x1, y1, z1 is a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 is equal to 0. That means a of x minus 1 plus b of y minus 1 plus c of z minus 1 is equal to 0. This plane also passing through the point 1, minus 1. That means x, y, z are values are 1, minus 1. That means a of 1 minus 1 plus b of minus 1 plus c of minus 1 is equal to 0. This value is 0. Minus 2b minus 2c equal to 0. That means b plus c equal to 0. That implies b equal to minus c. In a similar way, the equation of plane perpendicular to 2x minus y plus z plus 5 is equal to, that means the normal equation, 2a minus b plus c is equal to 0. Here we substitute b equal to minus c, 2a plus c equal to 0. 2a equal to minus 2c, a equal to minus c. A equal to minus c and b equal to minus c. So a is to b is to c equal to 1 is to minus 1. So the DRs are 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Substitute 1 minus 1 in the first equation. 1 of x minus 1 plus 1 of y minus 1 minus 1 of z minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus y minus z minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So the required equation is x plus y minus z minus 1 equal to 0. Next, third problem. The direction ratios of the normal to the plane passing through 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 3. Given point 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 3. First of all, let us find the equation of plane passing through the 3 points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3 is x minus x1 of y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Substitute all above values. X minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 1. X2 minus x1 0, y2 minus y1 1, z2 minus z1 1. X3 minus x1 1, 0, 2. This is equal to 0. X of 2 minus 0, 2 minus y of minus 1 plus z minus 1 of minus is equal to 0. 2x plus y minus z plus 1 equal to 0. Here the DRs are 2, 1, minus 1. Next question. If P equal to 0, 1, 0, Q equal to 0, 2, 1, then projection of PQ on the line x plus y plus z equal to 3. To find the position of PQ on the line, first of all, find the DRs of PQ. DRs of PQ equal to 0, 1, 1. And also the DCs of given line 1, 1, 1. These are also DCs of line equal to 1 by root 3, 1 by root 1 by root. The projection of line is sorry. First of all, and also we get a DCs of PQ also. The DCs of PQ equal to 0 by root 1 by root 1 by root. They ask you that find the projection of PQ on the line. Projection of PQ on the line. That means these are L, M, N. These values are the A, B, LA plus MB plus MC. This is equal to 1 into 0 by root 2, 0, 1 into 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, that is equal to root 2. Okay. Next. In the space, the equation by plus cz plus d equal to 0 represents a plane perpendicular to. Here, in the plane equation, the quotient of x equal to 0. That means a equal to 0. So that implies it is a perpendicular to yz plane. Next. A plane x passes through the point 1, 1. That means plane passes through 1, 1, 1. If BCAR dr of a normal to the plane, where A comma B comma C are factors of 2001, where A less than B less than C, then the equation of plane is they given that the equation of plane passes through 1, 1, and the dr for BCA. That means the required plane equation is B into x minus 1 plus C into x minus y minus 1 plus A into z minus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find the values of BCA. They given a clue. That means A comma B comma C are the factors of 2001. A less than B less than C. First of all, 2001 is written in the form of 3 into 3 into 23 into 29. Here A equal to 3, B equal to 23, C equal to 29. Substitute these values in the above equation. 23 of x minus 1, 29 of y minus 1, 3 of z minus 1 is equal to 0. The equation is 23x plus 29y plus 3z minus 55 equal to 0. Next, in the same way, if a plane 7x plus 11y plus 13z is equal to 3003 meets coordinate axis in A, comma B, comma C, then the center of triangle ABC is. First of all, it is written in the form of intercept form x by 3000 by 7, y by 3000 by 11, z by 3003 by 13 is equal to 1. X by this value is 429 plus y by this value is 273 plus z by this value is 231 is equal to 1. This is the x-intercept, y-intercept, z-intercept. The point in x-axis is 429, 0, 0. The point on y-axis is 0, 273, 0. The point on z-axis is 0, 0, 231. The centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 by z3 by 3. So 429 by 3, 273 by 3, 231 by 3. That equal to 143, 91, 73. Next, the foot of the perpendicular from 0, 0, 2 to the plane is 1, 2, 2. Then the equation of the plane is, that means they ask us that the foot of the perpendicular from 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0 to the plane is 1, 2, 2. Then the equation of plane is, first of all we have to find dr of 0, 0, 1, 2, 2 or 1, 2, 2. That means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. These are A, B, C. This point passes through 1, 2, 2. So the required equation is A into x minus 2, B into x minus 1, B into y minus 2, C into z minus 2 is equal to 0. Here ABC are 1, 2, 2. 1 into x minus 1, 2 into y minus 2 plus 2 into z minus 2 is equal to 0. So the required equation is x plus 2y minus plus 2z minus 9 is equal to 0. Finally, the variable plane is at a constant distance h from the origin and meets the coordinate axis in A, B, C, the locus of centroid of triangle ABC is dash. First of all, they given that the plane meets coordinate axis A comma B comma C. This is the plane. A, B, C, and also H distance from origin to the centroid, and it meets x-axis A comma B comma C. So it is A comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma B comma 0, 0 comma 0 comma C. The centroid is A by 3, B by 3, C by 3. And the DCs of the plane are H by A, H by B, and H by C. These are the DCs. We know that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So H square by A square plus H square by B square plus H square by C square is equal to 1. 1 by A square plus 1 by B square plus 1 by C square is equal to 1 by H square. Multiply on both sides with 9. That means 3 by A whole square, 3 by B whole square, 3 by C whole square is equal to 9 by H square. This is the value of x value, y value, z value. That means x power minus 3, x power minus 2 plus y power minus 2 plus z power minus 2 is equal to 9h power minus 2. This is the locus of the required question. So thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss about the topic limits and continuity. Thank you.